Makeover calling sewing room, but this job was too big for just one pro.
It's day 2. I'm super excited to get things going. We did a lot yesterday, but we still have a lot to do today. I did not realize how much stuff was actually in the space until we started putting it all into the bins. So I've asked my good friend Michelle, who's a professional organizer, to come help me with this project. Hey, Kasia! I'm so happy you're here. Oh, I'm glad to be here. What do you think of the space? Wow, it looks amazing. The paint job is amazing. Where's everything in this room? Kasia called me in, and I heard that there's a lot of organizing to do. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to organize, but I'm ready for it. So this is basically what the room looked like yesterday. Okay. We really need to find a proper home for everything and just get her nicely organized. I'll make sure that happens. Are you ready? Yes. Let me show you downstairs where everything is. Okay. Okay, Michelle, this is the stuff that we ended up clearing from the sewing room. I've got scissors, we've got, the spools of thread, everything. We need to get it all organized. Check it on you later. Awesome. The way I organize is I place things according to categories. So I make sure that everything that's related is together, and then eventually I'm going to start putting the labels once I know, okay, this is the home for buttons, this is the home for ribbons, and so on and so on. Michelle's working her way downstairs. I have to get the room decorated. It's time to hang up the drapes and bring in the furniture. When placing furniture, there's a lot of math involved. It's not just placing the items and making them look pretty.
I think we got a bit of an issue here with the height of these, or the length of these drapes.
Math is not my strongest subject. Yeah, I think you're right, Justin. No, we're not. They're too short. A designer's work is never done. After I'm done here, I'll be shopping tonight for some new drapery. Zach is here from Gen Electrical Services to replace that old light fixture. I ended up getting a decorative semi-flush from Lowe's. It fits the space perfectly. Hi, Michelle. How is it going? It's going. It's coming along. I'm a little concerned about Michelle. She still looks like she has a lot to do. You've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to let you get back to it. I've got my own stuff upstairs. Sounds good. Awesome. See ya. I love Muji. I'm going to use these gray containers from there, and they're actually meant for the bathroom, but I'm going to use it for the sewing room. So I hope Colleen loves them. Everything that I decided to choose fits perfectly in the drawers. Michelle, I can't believe day 2 and we're done. I can't believe it. Listen, I've got a ton of shopping. What are you doing? Dreaming about organizing. Perfect. I'll see you tomorrow.
That's a lot. Like you got your categories. You got to put like-minded things together.
Exactly. You have to group them together. Right. Give them homes.
Give them homes.
Yes.
Right now we're going to talk small space organizing solutions.
Yes.
Let's just say the entryway.
Yeah. So you know that entryways can get chaotic, especially in a small space. So my tip is actually to use these shoe holders. Don't just use them for shoes. Use them for stuff like your winter accessories.
Oh.
Right?
Where'd they come from?
Oh, this is from IKEA. Yes.
That's a good idea.
Right.
Yeah.
Also put your everyday purse or bag, umbrella.
Right.
You don't have to just use them for the shoes. Right. And then, of course, have those everyday shoes in here.
Yeah. Right.
Even if you wear
them
slippers,
ready.
you could throw them into there.
Yeah, I like that entryway idea. So then,
of course, at the top, like, if in your entryway you want to drop things off, right? Like your keys, your cards. These are amazing. These are from Muji. These are actually meant for the kitchen drawers. And I use this in the makeover as well. So, yeah, these fit perfectly. You could put your sunglasses, whatever you drop off when you come into the home. It's just easier.
That's easier.
Yes.
Everything's in its place.
Exactly.
Tell me about this lineup here.
Yeah, so the drones can also be used for the kitchen when you want to separate your recycling. So you can put all your paper, your plastics, and even batteries and bulbs.
Yeah, that has to be a separate thing.
Space saving.
It really is space they say, with a lot of entryways, or not everybody has a mud room, that sort of thing. So that's a great idea.
For sure.
What's on this one over here? What do you want to tell us about that?
Yeah, if you live in a condo or like a junior 1-bedroom, the bedrooms don't have a lot of space on the sides.
They don't.
Yeah, it's just enough for a bed, right? So what you want to use is another throne, and you can put this just by the side. Put the stuff you would normally have as your bedside.
This would be your bedside table.
Yeah, you could mount it on the wall. Yes, mount it on the wall. Nice. And you can put stuff like Kleenex, books,
whatever it is you keep by your bedside. We won't get into that. But
yeah, you can put your night creams, and of course I'm using these nice Muji containers.
Very good. Yeah.
Easy to drop stuff off in.
Love that idea. Okay, the home gym. The home gym. Because we all made that resolution, so now where we put the stuff.
Right. So I love pegboards, and they're not just for, the garage or the shed, and we used it in the makeover as well, but you can also use it as your own home gym.
Right.
Yeah, so if you don't want to invest in a gym membership, if your building doesn't have a gym, make your own.
These are nice pegboards.
Yeah, they're amazing. I love them. Also from IKEA as well.
All right.
You can even put like a device while you work out and watch Marilyn Denis while you work out. Right?
Always have that on. All right.
But yeah, everything is there for you to get
That's
fit.
great. What are the yoga mat? Everything.
Yeah, everything's in here.
Love
even
it.
extra stuff that you might have.
Yeah.
You can throw them into here.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. And then on the other side, you got some magic.
Yes.
What do you have?
So for parents with kids who have them in sports.
Oh, I wish I would have had them. Boy, I wish I would have had them. Very good.
So my son Frankie, who's 9 years old, he does karate, and this is his karate gear. So he'll throw on the gi here and his sparring gear, and he can practice if he wants to. Even after he does his karate, he can air out his clothes, because he gets sweaty.
Really important.
Right? And you don't want it just lying in the duffel bag.
All right.
Have it out.
Kids crap. Yeah, don't leave in the duffel bag, Adam.
No.
All right.
And then if you love to do creative things, if your kid loves to do art,
great idea.
Yes, and it's an art cart. It's a Raskog cart from IKEA. It's just easy.
But you added this to it.
I added this to it.
Take it
This
to
is
the
also
table.
from Muji.
Yeah.
And you can bring the cart wherever you want to do it in your space,
Right.
and then tuck it back into your closet, wherever you feel like you want it to live.
The thing is, it's got wheels. It's mobile, but you take a look at things outside of what they're used for,
Right.
and how can you use that?
Exactly. Yeah.
Right.
This can be used in so many more ways than the art cart.
Right.
But I love this for that.
Love it. Okay, Michelle's brought in information's on Maryland.ca, Colleen's Sewing Room, and the reveal is coming up next.
McDonald's spicy